Yes, very good morning. Very good morning, all. And let's start our 21 days healing challenge. Like, how many of you feel that every now and then you are having sadness? Just a minute. Yes. How many of you feel that every now and then you are feeling sadness in your life? And because of that, your life is not going where you really wanted to have. And every single day, there are some challenges which are facing due to your sadness. Then, if you truly want to heal that, then we are here for that. So, yes, if you truly want to heal that, just be connected with us. Hi, myself, Chetan Padmashali. I'm an NLP coach. And we are as a community, as a soul radiance, we are on a mission to heal 1 lakh people during this entire 21 days healing challenge. And today we are starting with the day number 1. Yes, today we are starting. So let's start now. And I'm super excited to help you heal your sadness that you feel every now and then. And I promise you, by the end of the session, you are going to be healed with the sadness. It's a promise from mine. So let's start now. So many of you don't know me, but yes, I am an NLP coach, Chetan Padmashali, and let's start healing now. The only purpose, this entire session will be only for 15 minutes. Make sure you are having a diary and pen with you. And when we start the healing, and then we will go for the gratitude practices also, then we will go for the affirmation practices also. This is going to be a powerful session. So let's start now. And everyone, let's put right hand on the heart and let's start healing. It's a very crisp and fast session. So let's start now. Let's put right hand on the heart. I will be switching off my video so that you can focus only on yourself. So let's everyone put right hand on the heart. And let's relax your mind and feel relaxed. Take one deep breath. And now relax your body. And whatever I'm going to share now, I want you to repeat after me loudly. Make sure you are not repeating in your mind. Make sure to repeat it loudly. Perfect. Let's take right hand on the heart. Take one deep breath more. And let's repeat. I take 100% responsibility for the sadness which I am feeling every single day. And because of that, I am feeling a lot of negative changes in my life. But I know now, this sadness only I am creating in my life. No event, no people, no situation is responsible for it. Only I am responsible for it. Now I want you to rotate your hand on your heart, rotate clockwise, and keep your eyes closed during this entire conversation. Let's repeat. I am sorry for feeling this sadness in my life, because of this sadness, I have acted in a way that I should not act. I am sorry for feeling this sadness because this sadness is giving me a lot of negative emotions in my life, and it is not helping me to reach my full potential. Please forgive me this sadness because I felt lost in my life. Please forgive me this sadness. Because of this, I gave a lot of negative emotions to my people also, in my relationships also. So please forgive me for feeling this emotion every now and then. But thank you so much for this sadness, because this sadness has taught me something, and because of that, I have started working on myself. So thank you so much for this sadness, and I love you, the sadness. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just take one deep breath. And let's repeat. I am ready to let go. This sadness feeling right now. I am ready to let go. This sadness feeling right now. One more time. I am ready to let go of this sadness feeling right now. Now feel the vibrations, what you are feeling right now. And let's rub your hands and put that energy on your face and slowly open the eyes. And we are done for the healing. Perfect. But as my coach always shares, type one word in the chat box. How do you feel right now? Everyone, let's type one word in the chat box. How do you feel right now after the healing part? And my coach always says, Chetan, never leave just the healing part. See, there are two steps to heal your life. First, remove the negative. And second, install the positive. Yes, grateful, powerful, awesome. Let's everyone type in the chat box. How do you feel right now? Feeling peaceful? Awesome. So the first part is removing the negative and second part is installing the positive. So both things will go hand in hand. So that's why we are not covering only healing part. Second part is a gratitude part. So I want you to take your note and pen and write down three things. You just need to write down three events or moments from your life that makes you happy, because every now and then you are feeling sad. So what we truly want you to do, we truly want you to change your focus and shift your focus from the sadness to the happiness. So what I want you to do right now, take out your note and pen, and I'm giving you 1 minute only 1 minute, and write down three things or three moments in your life that makes you so much happy. Let's start writing. And it can be anything. When you got married, when you got your first job, when you got your first check, when you hug someone first time, when someone said I love you for the first time, when it was your first child in your life. There are a lot of moments, there are a lot of happiness in your life that has made you so much happy in your life. So let's write down that three events or moments that has made you happy in your life. Like I still remember for myself, I was so much happy when I got my first job. I was so much happy. I'm a chartered accountant and I got my first job. Then I got married also. I got married on 14th of February 2013. I got married on that day. So there are grateful moments in your life. There are happiness moments in your life. And there you had tears of joy also in your life. I still remember 5th March 2018. I became a father on that day. And I had tears of joy in my life on that day. So write down three events or moments in your life that makes you so much happy in your life. Now, why I'm sharing this? Just check after writing it, how do you feel? And that's why my coach always says, Chetan, you can change your emotion this fast. Everyone, even if I cannot see you in the YouTube, but you are seeing me, let's everyone do this. We can change the emotion this fast. It's just a matter. It's just a matter of shifting our mindset from what we don't have to what we have. And now we want to give you one task also. We really want to give you one task and one affirmation also. So today we are going to give you one affirmation. That single affirmation, you need to practice it every single hour. And how to practice it, we are going to share it. But today we want you to have this affirmation in your life. And the affirmation which I want you to write down in your notepad, that is, happiness is my birthright. I know you are feeling now and then sadness in your life. But can I be very honest that happiness is your birthright? So let's write down this affirmation. Happiness is my birthright. Everyone, let's type this affirmation in the chat box. Everyone, let's type this affirmation in the chat box so that I get to know you got my affirmation loud and clear. You got this affirmation very loud and clear, right? If you're watching me live, let's type in the chat box. Happiness is my birthright. And yes, a lot of people are typing. That's very awesome. So now, the last thing which I just want to give you challenge, because everything cannot end with the challenge. So every 21 days from today, we are going to give you a 21 days challenge every single day. So ये 21 days check healing तो challenge है, but हम आपके साथ task रोज share करेंगे और जो आपको every single day complete करना है. So type in the chat box IP, I promise, if you are ready to complete the task. Everyone, let's type in the chat box IP for I promise, if you are ready to complete the task. And the task is very simple. Every 1 hour, what we want you to do. From now, let's keep every 1 hour of alarm in your watch, in your mobile. आप अपने मोबाइल के अंदर हर घंटे का अलार्म लगा लीजिए. जैसा भी 7 बजे का है तो फिर 8 बजे बजेगा, फिर 9 बजेगा, फिर 10 बजेगा, 11 बजेगा, 12 बजेगा, ऐसा रात को 11 बजे तक लगा दीजिए, फ्रॉम 7 to 11 PM. एंड देन जैसे ही अलार्म बजता है, द मोमेंट अलार्म rings, I want you to have smile and let's repeat the affirmation. Happiness is my birthright. I want you to smile and repeat the affirmation. Happiness is my birthright. The moment you complete the affirmation, I want you to come to this YouTube channel. I want you to come to this YouTube channel and come on the video and type in the chat box, I have done the task. How many of you are ready to take this challenge? Type I in the chat box if you are ready to take this challenge. Type in the chat box for if you are ready to take this challenge. Everyone, let's type in the chat box I in the chat box if you are ready to take this challenge. Awesome. So I think we are done for the day. But yes, before that, before we leave, I just want to make sure that every single day we are going to have this 21 days challenge. And yes, let me share that very exciting information also. हर 2 घंटे के अंदर हम हीलिंग सेशंस करने वाले हैं और वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस में भी होने वाला है. एंटायर स्केड्यूल आपके यूट्यूब इस चैनल के ऊपर स्केड्यूल्ड है कि 9 बजे कौन सा है, 11 बजे कौन सा है, 1 बजे कौन सा है. और आप रीजनल लैंग्वेज पे करना चाहते हो, मेक श्योर टू ज्वाइन दैट सेशंस आल्सो. We have tied up with the entire world's best and best healers so that you get the best. So the entire thing is, if you truly want to have your regional language, this particular healing, you can do that. And so अगर आपको ये जानते रहना है तो make sure to subscribe this channel, like the video and share with your friends and family जिनको आपको लगता है कि जरूरत है कि sadness से बाहर आना है, that you want them to come out of this sadness. So share this video to the people who really need this. So yes, I'll make sure every 2 hours we are doing the sessions. So आज से 21 दिन तक हर 2 घंटे पे sessions रहेगा. Make sure to join that. And thank you so much, guys. And what I can only tell you, keep on doing the practice, keep on coming to our this channel and post that I have done the task. I have done the task. Every hour you might be feeling, Chetan, why should I do this? Even if I am doing the task, can I be very honest? It's always about accountability. It's always about accountability. When you are accountable to something, you do much more better task. So it's not about why should I do that, but can I be very honest? Just do that. Just follow for 21 days and you are going to get the best results. So thank you so much, guys. And I think we are done for the day. And we never say goodbye. We never say goodbye. And we always say, have a blasting day and love you all. Let's everyone type in the chat box, love you all. Let's everyone type in the chat box, love you all. And see you on the next 9 AM session. That's what we are going to do. And thank you so much. We truly love you. We are truly here to support you. We are truly here to guide you. And if you have any suggestions or have any questions, type in our comment box. We are happy to guide you. We are happy to support you. Thank you so much. Thank you.